Hello friends, welcome to another video by SEO Wings. In this video we will learn how to invite others to edit your locally hosted WordPress website. They can edit it, contribute it, moderate it, or all the features offered by WordPress. For the purpose of this video, I will be using a virtual machine based WordPress hosting, which I have shown in my previous video with the help of bitnami stack. So let's start this website. Now you could see that my website is running at this web address. So let's go to this web address, and this is our website. Okay, so how this works is that our website is currently being hosted by this virtual machine. We are connecting to this virtual machine with the help of this web address. But this IP address is only accessible from our local computer or maybe from our network depending upon your configurations. For example, if you are doing it with the help of bitnami virtual machine, you can access it throughout your local area network by typing out this IP address. If you are using local WP or XAMPP or any other local servers, you can't share your website with the friends over the network. If you are already using this bitnami stack, then you don't need to do anything. This works out of the box for the local area network. Anybody on your local area network can access this website and edit it. But what if we want to share this website or invite others from outside of our local area network? For example, I am running this website in Germany on my local computer, but I want to invite someone from America or England or India or Pakistan or any other country to edit on this website. Maybe my content writer is sitting in Philippines and want to edit this website. To achieve this, we will use a software called ngrok. So ngrok is basically provide tunnels to your local host. This is not really our local host, but we are connecting with the help of this IP address to our virtual machine, and we will use ngrok to connect to this IP address from outside of our local area network. Okay, I will place the download link of ngrok in the description of this video. You can just download it. Download for Windows. Okay, I am using it for Windows, but you can actually download it with for any other operating system. For example, we can do it for Mac OS, Linux, and FreeBSD as well. Okay, so we downloaded it for Windows, save it, and that's it. Okay, so ngrok is now downloaded. It would be a zip file. You need to extract it. Okay, this is our file. You just need to double click on this, and that's it. Okay, so this software will show you some configurations. If you go up, it tells you the example how to connect with the localhost. So for example, we will be using this approach, ngrok http and then our localhost address. In this case, it's not a localhost address, but it's an address which connects us to this virtual machine. It could be any address, it could be even localhost as well. For the sake of this video, it will be with the virtual machine, but if you are using for example local WP or XAMPP or any other server, just give the local host address and the port associated with this. We will first check it with this bitnami virtual machine. We go to our website, copy this address, and then go here and then type ngrok http and then type your address. On the command line, if you right click with your mouse, it will be pasted, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. Just click enter. Okay, now you could see that the tunneling was successful, and now our port forwarding is working. You can do it with the help of HTTPS or HTTP. Let's do it with the help of HTTPS. Select this address and press enter. So this will copy the address. Now come to the browser. If you type this address now, right click and paste it. Okay, so now you are successfully in with the help of this web address. You can share this web address to any of your friends. For example, I can share it with someone in India or in Philippines or in Pakistan or in UK, and they will be able to log into this website. It's like a normal web address, like example.com. Now you can type login as well. To log in into this website, just type login, and here I will be giving a username is user. So once you type in your password, click on login. Okay, So you have been successfully logged into this virtual machine from outside of your local area network. So anybody with this procedure can log into this virtual machine from any part of the world. They don't need to be on this computer. But remember that if you shut down your virtual machine or your computer, then this address is not working anymore. So you need to keep your computer up so that the people can access your network, which actually makes sense as well. Now the person can, or any editor, they can go here and create a new post, remote, and this is remote post, something like this. I am just checking it and then click on post it, and you could see that our post is now published. And that's it. This is how the whole workflow works. If we log out and let's check this one. So this will be your IP address, and you could see that our dummy post is also published. That's how you can share your locally hosted website with anybody else, and they can log into your website with the help of internet. So remember, this is your unique address, and ngrok.io is the website which is actually providing this service. So you have to share it to your friends. If this address is too long and you want to make a shortcut, like for example, in my case this is seowings.org, and you want to create a login, then you have to create a branded URL so that it will be automatically forwarded to this address. In my next video I will explain how to achieve this thing. If you go to the command line, ngrok command line, and you could see that some logs are available to you. So if any error is happening, for example, we don't have a favicon for our website, and it will show you an error that favicon is not available, and so on. That's how we use this service. If you want to close this once you are done, it's always once you are done, you should shut down this ngrok. Just type Control C, and that's it. Your ngrok is now shut down, and people from outside will not be able to view your website. If you click refresh, and you could see that it's not available anymore. This tool is also useful if you are preparing a portfolio and you want to share it with other people from your local computer. Just use ngrok and show them your website. Once this website is done, then shut it down. This is a usual use case for this is when you are doing a client work and you want to show the progress to your client without hosting your website to any. I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumb button, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel and share it with your friends. Maybe your friends are interested in this video as well. Thank you very much.